Welcome to Happy Tech Digital. I know you are watching this video because you want to start your journey as social media manager. Now you are in the right place. Here, I'll provide you with a beginner guide on how you can become a social media manager and the things you need to do. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm dropping a new video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Then, if you are my old and returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you for stopping by to watch this amazing video. Please like, share, and comment on those videos because by doing so, you are telling the YouTube algorithm that this person is doing a nice work on the app. If you subscribe, all right, thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you. So without wasting time, let's just head over to the main topic of today. For you to be a social media manager, it requires a whole lot of things, from video editing to crafting your content to it requires a whole lot of things. I don't really want to go into detail, but let me just put you through on how you can become a social media manager with no experience. This is strictly for beginners, but if you are not a beginners and you still want to learn, have more insight about it, you are still welcome because you are still part of this great community. Okay, so before that, I want to tell you what a social media manager is. Who is a social media manager? That's our first topic, and that's what I'm going to talk about first. A social media manager is somebody who represents a brand on social media platform. It could be your own personal profile, it could be a brand own. Then what do? They create content, they manage the account, they develop content strategies to increase engagement, they monitor the audience response. Number one tip, please, I would like you to get your pen and your paper and jot down whatever tips I'm going to give you on this tutorial, because you might not find this video anytime soon. So just get your pen, sit down, jot down everything I'm going to tell you in those videos and put it into practice, whether it's your own personal account or you're managing a brand account, and watch it work like a magic. So number one tips is choosing the right platform. Okay, we have a various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, so in this platform, you need to choose your platform, right? And you need to know the kind of, you need to know your target audience, the kind of people where your target audience spend most time. Is it on Facebook? Is it on TikTok? Is it on YouTube? Is it on Instagram? You need to know where these people spend much time depending on your niche. Number two, which is create a strong profile. All right, that's number one, is your profile picture. You need to upload a high quality image on your profile, even if it means you go into a studio and just take one picture and put it into your profile picture. Don't tell me that you're a social media manager and I come to your I come to your page and your page doesn't look well, it doesn't look good, it doesn't look enticing. I wonder what you are doing there. Okay, so because the way you look, that's the way you'll be addressed. Okay, bio should be short and it should be an engaging one that reflects your brand and your personality and what you are going to talk about, right? So that takes me to consistency. Consistency in this aspect does not really mean you posting all the time. Consistency here means you using the same handle and brand image across all your social media platforms. For instance, let's assume you have Facebook, you have TikTok, you have YouTube, you have Instagram and Twitter. Okay, you can just use the same name. People will be easily to identify you by your name, by your brand name. Are you getting? So this is what this aspect actually mean. Okay, so that takes me to number three, which is content strategy. This content strategy means you creating different types of content, not just video. You can create content just such as photos, videos, stories, and live streams. Okay, to like this will engage your audience with so many things, right? So you can use write up sometime when you are running out of content, and that's that. So for it to be able to go well, you also need a content calendar, because this content calendar will help you to plan your content, your post in advance, and it also helps you to maintain to be consistent. It also help you to be consistent. Okay, you know when to post your video or your picture, and you stick to that. And if you do that for a whole 1 month, guy, trust me, before the end of that month you see where your YouTube or your Facebook, depending on the social media platform you're using, will be for 1 month. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a content calendar, you can just drop it in the comment section, and I'm just going to make a video on that. So the next one is value and engagement. Try to engage with your audience. If they comment, see, social media manager is not really about, you don't care about yourself. Yeah, you put your audience first, right? It's about what they want. Okay, I might make this video and somebody comment that, oh, I don't know how to design, or I don't know how to use Canva Pro for free. So like that one alone, it got my attention, because I'm trying to build up a community. So what's the essence of trying to build up a community, and then you don't engage with your audience? You need to listen to them, you need to pay attention to them, to what they want. Do you understand? This will help them to keep on interacting with you very, very well. Okay, that takes me to number 4, if I'm not mistakenly. That is understanding the algorithms, right? So that takes me to engagement, which is likes, comments, shares, and views. It helps to boost your content. Timeliness: post when your audience is not active. Okay, you need to understand from these various platforms, you need to know when to post. You need to know, like, if I post on Monday, I'll get more engagement. If I post on Tuesday, but first of, mind you, before you to do this, for you to be able to detect this, you need to be post, like, you have to posting consistently. Do you understand? Like for a whole month, you keep on posting, keep on posting. If you keep on posting constantly, you're able to track down when your audience is more active. You don't just post today and you just sit and say, hey, no, you need to post consistently. Do you understand? For you to know when your audience are more active online, and when they will likely interact with your post. And you also use hashtags. Hashtag is very, very good. It helps your post to go viral. It helps your post to even fly more than you guys. You can be here while you post, people in United States, like all those Kenya, South Africa. I'm creating content here in Nigeria, but if I go to my Facebook analytics, I'll see people outside Nigeria watching my video. But I'm here. You can see that. So with the use of hashtags, so hashtags is very, very relevant in this aspect. And this takes me to number 5. I'm not sure, but I just hope it's okay. So which is analytics and adjustment, to track the performance of your audience. All right, to know when they engaged on your post, if they watch your post for the first 3 seconds of your video, if they watch the 1 minute, so that you know how to, like, work on that. So this one is adjust strategies. You should be ready to adjust your strategy based on what works. Okay, so that take me to number 6, that is community building. So this community building, I think I mentioned it earlier, that you need to be engaging with your audience post, that's responding to comments and messages. And it also bring me to collaborate, that's for you to partner with an influencer or other brand. Number 6, which is on the paid advertising. Okay, paid advertising, we all know what an advert is. For those of us that run YouTube or adverts, Facebook advert, Instagram advert, we all know what an advert is. So understanding options, that's on for you to understand the different ad format and targeting options, the objective of the ad. You need to understand this thing and put them into consideration. And you also need to understand your budget, that the bigger your budget, the higher people you reach. Number 7, which is stay updated. So what does this mean? That should be jump upping on trend. See, trend is very, very powerful. So do not joke with trend. When whatever thing is trending, I do not say that whenever something is trending, you just go ahead and pick it and you start talking about. Make sure that this thing that is trending is based on your niche. Okay, so that's that for that. So that takes me to new features that you need to always keep your app updated. By 8, which is tools and resources. This one is one of the most thing I love so much. Okay, so management tools, that you need to use tools like use shield, buffer, or later for scheduling of posts. Okay, use this three tools I just mentioned now to schedule your post. You can make a content today, then decide to post that content next week. You need to just schedule, put the time, so that even while you are sleeping, that content must be posted because already you schedule it for that particular day. I hope I'm making sense. Please guys, if at this point you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Just hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So that takes me to design tools. We have design tools like Canva, we have CapCut, we have InShot, we have Viva Video, and lots more for your editing. And we also have analytics tools, and these are the various tools that you can use for tracking your analysis. You can use Facebook Insight, and you can also use Google Analytics. If you don't know how to make use of these things I mentioned there, just drop in the comment section and I'm just going to make a video on that. And that takes me to legal and ethical consideration, and that is number 9. Consideration in the sense that, see, it's not just about, I used to tell people, like, it's not just about making money on social media. Yeah, you need to understand those various platforms. You need to study it very well. You need to understand the rules and regulations, the do's and don'ts. Okay, so you need to understand this thing first and you put it into consideration, so that you will not end up creating content and your account will be flagged, or your account will be brought down one day. So you just need to, like, know about copyright, ensure you have the right to use all content you post. Make sure, I always advise people to create original content. You also respect privacy and follow the platform guidelines, and you also be transparent about sponsored content. Here come the end of this video. So this is my last word to you. Remember that success on social media takes time and consistency. Please like, share, and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Follow this page for more tips like this. Bye. See you in my next video.